To replace the screen on bObsweep PetHair, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new screen. Before starting any repair on Bob, turn his side power switch off and remove his dustbin. Then flip Bob over onto a flat surface and remove his main brush using the flathead screwdriver. Keep all removed screws and parts safely aside, as they may be needed for later reassembly. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 6 screws on Bob's underside that hold him together. 1 screw on each side of the front wheel, 1 screw to the right of the main brush motor, 1 screw on each side of the dustbin. The final screw is in the brush compartment. Bob's cover is no longer secured, so hold the top and bottom together as you carefully flip him back onto his wheels. Grip Bob's cover from the back and lift up to expose the main board. Slide the power inlet down and tuck it somewhere safe to avoid compressing its wires. To detach Bob's cover completely, disconnect 4 circuit plugs. 2 at the lower edge of the main board, near the wheels, and 2 more at the top edge near the bumper. Now that you've detached Bob's cover, flip it over onto a flat surface to see the interior. Then remove the 4 screws securing Bob's screen, and keep them nearby for the next step. Move all wires out of the way as you lift the screen out. Place the new screen face down in the open space, and align it with the screw posts on Bob's cover. You may wish to lift the lid slightly to allow space for the docking sensor. Once the screen lies flat, install the 4 screws removed previously. Now you're ready to close the cover. Reattach all 4 circuit plugs connecting Bob's cover to the main board. 2 connect to the top edge of the main board, and 2 more connect to the bottom edge. Remember to slide the power inlet back into its space on Bob's cover. Align the cover's edges precisely. Then flip Bob over onto a flat surface. Reinstall all 6 screws previously removed from Bob's underside. Ensure that no wires are compressed in the main brush compartment or visible at the edges of the bumper. If so, take a step back and lift the cover to tuck the wires into the appropriate spaces. Install the main brush and dustbin before your next use, and Bob is completely reassembled. Turn the side power switch back on and congratulations! You've just replaced Bob's screen. Happy cleaning!